For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Number 5.
Fishing enthusiasts understand the importance of having the right gear for a successful and enjoyable experience. The 𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐍𝐿𝐒 spinning fishing rod and reel combo set offers an exceptional blend of durability, functionality, and performance, making it a top choice for both novice and seasoned anglers alike. This versatile combo set, featuring a strong magnetic brake baitcasting reel, is designed to elevate your freshwater fishing adventures. Premium build quality and durability. The rod is constructed from high-density carbon fiber, which provides both strength and sensitivity. Carbon fiber rods are known for their lightweight feel and incredible durability, allowing anglers to cast effortlessly and feel every bite with precision. This ensures that the rod can handle a variety of fish species, from small panfish to larger bass or pike. The reel, on the other hand, is engineered with robust materials that ensure longevity. It features a metal spool and a high-strength aluminum alloy handle that provides a solid grip. The reel's frame is corrosion-resistant, making it suitable for long-term use in freshwater environments. Strong magnetic brake baitcasting reel. At the heart of this combo set is the baitcasting reel, which is equipped with a strong magnetic brake system. This braking system is crucial for managing the spool's speed and preventing backlash during casting. Anglers who use baitcasting reels know that controlling the spool's speed is essential for achieving long, accurate casts, and the 𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐍𝐿𝐒 reel excels in this regard. The magnetic brake system provides an adjustable braking force, allowing anglers to fine-tune their casting according to the weight of their lure and the wind conditions. This results in fewer tangles and more time spent fishing. The reel also boasts a smooth drag system, which is vital when fighting strong fish. The drag provides consistent pressure, allowing you to reel in your catch without the risk of line breakage. Versatility for different fishing techniques. Whether you prefer casting or spinning, this combo set has you covered. The 𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐍𝐿𝐒 fishing rod and reel combo set is designed to accommodate both casting and spinning techniques, giving anglers the flexibility to switch between the two, based on their preference or the fishing conditions. This versatility is a key advantage, as it allows you to adapt to different scenarios without needing multiple setups. The rod's ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, even during long fishing sessions. The grip is made from high-quality 𝐕𝐈𝐒𝐈𝐒 material, which is both comfortable and slip-resistant. This ensures that your hands stay comfortable and secure, even when wet. Conclusion. With its strong magnetic brake baitcasting reel, high-quality carbon fiber rod, and ergonomic design, it is perfect for anglers looking to enhance their freshwater fishing experience. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this combo set provides everything you need for a successful day on the water.
Number 4.
Fishing is a pastime that combines patience, skill, and a deep connection with nature. Whether you are a seasoned angler or a beginner looking to cast your first line, the right equipment can make all the difference. The 𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐀𝐍𝐿𝐒 telescopic fishing rod and reel combo set is an excellent choice for those who want convenience without sacrificing performance. This portable fishing pole, complete with fish hooks and tackle, is designed to enhance your fishing experience, no matter where your adventures take you. Telescopic design. Compact and convenient. Is telescopic design. The rod collapses down to a compact size, making it easy to carry and store. Whether you're hiking to a remote fishing spot, traveling on a fishing trip, or just heading to the local pier, the portability of this rod ensures that you can bring your fishing gear along without hassle. Once you reach your destination, simply extend the rod to its full 6-meter length, and you're ready to fish. Durable construction. For long-lasting performance, durability is a crucial factor in any fishing rod, and the 𝐓𝐶 telescopic fishing rod is built to last. Made from high-quality carbon fiber, the rod offers a perfect balance of strength and flexibility, carbon fiber is known for its lightweight properties, yet it is incredibly strong, allowing the rod to withstand the pressure of fighting fish without breaking or bending. The guides are made from corrosion-resistant stainless steel, ensuring smooth line movement and protecting the rod from the harsh elements often encountered in fishing environments. Complete tackle kit. In addition to the rod and reel, this set comes with a complete tackle kit, making it a convenient choice for both novice and experienced anglers. The kit includes various fish hooks, sinkers, swivels, and other essential gear that you'll need for a successful fishing trip. Having these accessories on hand eliminates the need to purchase them separately, saving you time and money. With everything you need included in the set, you can focus on enjoying your fishing experience, rather than worrying about gathering gear. Perfect for all skill levels, whether you're just starting out or have been fishing for years. The 6M telescopic fishing rod and reel combo set is suitable for all skill levels. Beginners will appreciate the ease of use and the complete set of accessories, while experienced anglers will value the rod's durability, performance, and portability. It's an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their fishing game and enjoy the great outdoors. Conclusion: it's a complete fishing solution. Its compact design, durable construction, and reliable performance make it an ideal choice for anglers on the go. With everything you need included in the set, you can embark on your fishing adventures with confidence, knowing you have the right tools at your disposal. Whether you're fishing for fun or sport, this combo set is the perfect companion for your next fishing trip.
Number 3.
Fishing enthusiasts know that having the right equipment can make all the difference between a successful day on the water and a disappointing one. The fishing rod and reel combo set, featuring a telescopic lure rod and a baitcasting reel with a max drag of 8 kilograms, offers the perfect blend of versatility, durability, and performance for anglers of all levels. Telescopic lure rod. Compact yet powerful. At the heart of this combo is the telescopic lure rod, a marvel of modern fishing technology. This rod is available in lengths ranging from 1.5 meters to 2.4 meters, making it incredibly adaptable to various fishing styles and conditions. The telescopic design is especially advantageous for anglers who need a rod that's easy to transport and store. When extended, the rod provides the length and strength needed to cast effectively and handle a variety of fish species. Constructed from high-quality materials, the rod offers a robust and sensitive feel. The flexibility of the rod ensures that it can handle both light and heavy lures, making it suitable for different types of fishing, including jigging and casting. Whether you're fishing in freshwater lakes, rivers, or saltwater environments, this rod can adapt to your needs. Baitcasting reel. Precision and power. Complementing the telescopic rod is the baitcasting reel, a key component for precision and power. With a maximum drag capacity of 8 kilograms, this reel is designed to handle a wide range of fish sizes and tackle challenges. The drag system allows for smooth line control, which is crucial when dealing with larger or more aggressive fish. The reel's construction ensures durability, so you can rely on it for many fishing trips to come. Baitcasting reels are known for their accuracy and control, and this model is no exception. It's engineered to provide consistent performance, helping you make precise casts and manage your line with ease. Whether you're targeting bass, trout, or other game fish, the baitcasting reel enhances your ability to present lures effectively and handle the fight. Versatility for various fishing techniques. One of the standout features of this combo set is its versatility. The rod's telescopic design makes it suitable for a range of fishing techniques, from light jigging to casting heavier lures. The baitcasting reel's robust drag system and precision engineering add to the combo's adaptability, making it a great choice for different fishing environments and styles. For anglers who enjoy experimenting with various fishing methods, this combo set provides the flexibility to try new techniques, without needing multiple rods and reels. Its compact and transportable design also makes it an ideal choice for travel, ensuring that you're always prepared for your next fishing adventure. Conclusion and summary: the fishing rod and reel combo set with its telescopic lure rod and baitcasting reel is a top choice for anglers seeking a reliable and versatile setup. Its ability to adapt to different fishing techniques and environments, combined with the strength and precision of the components, makes it a valuable addition to any fishing arsenal. Whether you're a seasoned angler or a newcomer to the sport, this combo set offers the performance and convenience needed for a successful and enjoyable fishing experience.
Number 4.
Fishing enthusiasts know that having the right equipment can make all the difference between a successful outing and an average one. For those who enjoy ice fishing or simply require a portable, versatile fishing rod, the 5560 𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐍𝐶 Mini Telescopic Ice Fishing Rod is an exceptional choice. Crafted from high-quality carbon fiber, this rod is designed to deliver both performance and durability in a compact form. Design and construction: one of the standout features of this ice fishing rod is its telescopic design. This telescopic feature makes it incredibly convenient for transport and storage. Whether you're hiking to a remote fishing spot or simply stowing it away in your vehicle, the rod's compact nature ensures it won't take up much space. Made from carbon fiber, the rod boasts a remarkable balance between strength and lightweight properties. Carbon fiber is known for its durability and ability to handle various fishing conditions without compromising on sensitivity. This means you'll have a responsive rod that can detect even the slightest nibble, which is crucial for ice fishing where fish activity can be subtle. Performance and versatility: fishing rod is engineered to handle a variety of fishing situations. Its design is particularly suited for ice fishing, where maneuverability and sensitivity are key. The rod's carbon fiber construction enhances its ability to transfer vibrations from the line to your hand, allowing you to feel every bite with greater accuracy. In addition to ice fishing, this rod is also effective for river fishing and targeting smaller species like shrimp and carp. The versatility of this rod makes it an excellent addition to any angler's collection. Its ability to switch between different types of fishing environments without missing a beat ensures you get the most out of your fishing trips. Ease of use and comfort: comfort is a significant factor when it comes to fishing rods. Fishing rod delivers on this front. The rod features an ergonomic handle that provides a secure and comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended fishing sessions. This is particularly beneficial in cold conditions, where a comfortable grip is essential for maintaining control. The rod's telescopic mechanism is smooth and easy to operate, allowing you to extend or retract the rod with minimal effort. This ease of use ensures that you can quickly adapt to changing conditions or switch between different fishing techniques without any hassle. Conclusion: its carbon fiber construction provides both strength and sensitivity, while its telescopic design makes it easy to transport and store. Whether you're an ice fishing aficionado or a river fisherman, this rod offers the versatility and reliability needed to enhance your fishing experience. With its combination of functionality and comfort, this rod is a valuable tool for both seasoned anglers and newcomers alike.
Number 1.
Fishing is more than just a pastime. It's a passion, an art, and for many, a way of life. To truly enhance your fishing experience, having the right equipment is essential. Enter the Super Hard Telescopic Fishing Rod and Reel Set, a versatile and high-performance tool designed to elevate your angling adventures. This set, which includes a telescopic fishing rod ranging from 1.8 to 3.6 meters and a choice of spinning reels, 1,000, 2,000, or 3,000, is crafted to meet the needs of both novice and seasoned anglers. Design and build quality: the Super Hard Telescopic Fishing Rod is a marvel of engineering. Made from high-strength materials, The rod boasts exceptional durability and resilience. Its telescopic design allows for convenient storage and transport, making it an ideal choice for anglers who love to travel or prefer to keep their gear compact. The rod extends from a compact 1.8 meters to an impressive 3.6 meters, providing the flexibility to adapt to various fishing environments and techniques. The rod's design incorporates a super hard construction that ensures superior strength and performance. This feature is particularly beneficial when targeting larger fish species or when fishing in challenging conditions. The rod's sensitivity allows for precise detection of even the subtlest of bites, enhancing your chances of a successful catch. Versatile spinning reel options. Each reel is designed to complement the telescopic rod and enhance your fishing experience. The spinning reel is renowned for its smooth operation and reliable performance. It features a high-quality drag system that provides consistent resistance and control, allowing you to handle various fish sizes with ease. The 1000 reel is ideal for light freshwater fishing, perfect for smaller species and delicate presentations. The 2000 reel offers a balance between power and finesse, making it suitable for a broader range of fishing scenarios. For those seeking to tackle larger fish or more challenging conditions, the 3000 reel provides the strength and capacity needed to handle the strain. User-friendly features. The super hard telescopic fishing rod and reel set is designed with user comfort and convenience in mind. The rod features a comfortable grip that reduces hand fatigue during extended fishing sessions. The reel is equipped with an ergonomic handle that ensures a firm and comfortable hold, even in wet conditions. The set's ease of use makes it accessible to anglers of all skill levels. The telescopic rod's intuitive extension mechanism simplifies setup and takedown, while the spinning reel's smooth operation ensures a hassle-free fishing experience. Whether you're casting from a boat, shore, or pier, this set is versatile enough to handle various fishing styles and environments. Conclusion. The super hard telescopic fishing rod and reel set represents the perfect blend of performance, durability, and convenience. With its telescopic design, super hard construction, and